Hi, today we are going to make very interesting fun size chicken pockets or mini pita bites. So let's start by making dough. Sifting 4 cups all-purpose flour into a big bowl with 2 tablespoons sugar, 11 grams or 1 pack of instant dry yeast along with 1 teaspoon salt and give it a good mix. 3/4 cup lukewarm milk of a very beautiful healthy cow, 3/4 cup holy water, and when flour become into a shaggy dough, it's time to show off your muscle part because we are gonna develop gluten by most well-known method, which is kneading by hand. And don't be shy to express some aggressive side to dough and knead it about 5 to 7 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons olive oil and knead for 3 to 5 minutes more until dough becomes soft, light and bouncy. Cover with cling wrap and leave it for 2 hours in the bathroom or in the kitchen.
Eternity later.
Alright, it's been 2 hours. Dough is double in size. Dust some flour on the work surface and gently pat the dough to release the air. Cover the rolling pin with flour and roll out the dough about half an inch of thickness. Take any abundant lid about this size and make some donut cuts. This dough can make up to 14 or 15 mini pitas. Heat up a pan and place the little cute dough bunnies. Cook them on low flame for 5 to 7 minutes. And when the bottom has beautiful golden color, flip them over. Cook the other side for 3 to 5 minutes on low flame and there you have it, soft pita breads. Onto the sauce, add half cup mayonnaise with 1/4 cup chili garlic sauce and a tablespoon of white vinegar for some tangy flavor with 2 tablespoons American national sauce aka ketchup and last touch of a tablespoon chili sauce. You can skip this if you have a slightest chance of dying from chili. It's actually smells spicy. Onto the filling, add 3 tablespoons oil into the pan and heat it up on high flame. Add a teaspoon of garlic paste. Fry it for about 30 to 40 seconds with 250 grams chicken strips or beef strips. My teeth actually have beef with beef, so I generally prefer chicken over beef. Fry for 5 minutes on high flame. Dash half teaspoon salt with 1 teaspoon black pepper and half teaspoon red chili flakes. Cover the pan for 3 to 5 minutes on medium flame to tenderize the chicken. I have a thinly sliced medium onion and fry for 2 minutes on high flame with a thinly sliced tomato and a sliced bell pepper. You can use any other veggies you hated your entire life and never wanted to see them again because this is the best reunion time. Cover for a minute so the veggies lose a little bit of their crunchiness. Okay, the last veggie is a cup of cabbage and give a good mix for 2 minutes straight. End this filling journey with a good tablespoon soya sauce. Give it a courtesy mix. The filling is done. Let it cool down. On to our final phase, grab the mini pita bread one by one and make a wide open mouth shape. Paint the mouth with spicy sauce all over. Add the chicken filling about a tablespoon and shut it up. Here are our mini pita bites or chicken pockets. The bread is crumbly soft and have a brownish crispy skin and the filling is spicy meaty and have a fresh crunch from veggies and have a little bit of tanginess from sauce. I mean, you will not get bored by eating this. So thank you. Bye.